to Lockdown Lashes with me, Iffy Thomas. I am so pleased to share with you my lashes for lockdown. Quite far into lockdown, and many of you might have lost a few of your lashes, or you might have lost all of them. And what I keep saying is lockdown doesn't mean we need to shut down. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing to maintain my lash look. Let me tell you a little bit about my lash journey. I started getting my lashes done about 10 years ago, and I used to get them done in a little salon in Newport Pagnell in my hometown. And I found out that I was going into the Big Brother house, and my first reaction was, yes, I'm going into the house. The second thing was, oh my gosh, the nation is going to see me without any lashes on because I can't do my own lashes. So I called the lady who does my lashes and said, I'm going into the Big Brother house, I need your help, can you show me how to put them on? And she said, yes, of course. And at that time, I wasn't a girly girl and I didn't really know how to do anything. I didn't even wear nails then. So I was very new to the world of beauty. And she sat me down and showed me exactly how to put my lashes on. And I've been doing that for the last 10 years. And with me, I don't go to sleep in my lashes because I have hay fever and I find them quite irritating when you're sleeping. And I rub my eyes a lot, and the last thing I want is one of those stuck in my eyes. So every evening, I just remove the lashes, and every morning I reapply. Let me say that again. Every morning I reapply my lashes. Even when I had my little son, I remember doing my eyelashes with him cradled in my arm. I figured out a way to do my lashes in under 6 minutes. Very fast, very effective. The brilliant thing about wearing lashes is that it actually shapes your whole face. Now, I'm somebody who's got loads of self-esteem, loads of confidence, but I'm not silly. I know what enhances me. And if you can enhance yourself by the clothes that you wear, the makeup that you wear, and the lashes that you wear, then why wouldn't you do that for yourself? There's nothing better than being at home and walking past the mirror and catching yourself and thinking, I look all right. You know, rather than walking past the mirror and going, oh my God. Now, I don't mind how I look without lashes, but I love how I look with lashes. And for me, I'm locked at home with my man and my boys. And I want my man to be able to walk past me and go, looking good, babes. I don't want to be like, oh God, what's happened? There was a time when I used to not put any effort when I was at home. And he actually said to me about 4 years ago, babes, I noticed that when you go out to the world, you look stunning. You look gorgeous. You're just like, wow, a vision. And then I come home from work and you look like a bag lady. I was like, what do you mean? He goes, well, you've got no hair on, you've got no lashes on, no makeup on, and you know, you're beautiful, but I feel like you look great for the world, but at home, it is like living with a bag lady. I was like, oh, and I sat back and thought, he's right. And that was the trigger for me. I thought, never are you coming home from work and not seeing me look incredibly fabulous and fierce. And it made me feel excited because I thought, no, let me dress up for him. So while we're at lockdown, if we are at home with our partners or we're at home on our own, maybe if you want to do a Zoom call or you want to have a FaceTime, maybe you're doing a work conference, or maybe you want to take your own selfies for Instagram, maybe you do your own YouTube channel, whatever it is, you'll still want to look your best. Lockdown does not mean we're going to shut down. Okay, let me show you how to do this. As you can see, I have done my makeup now, so I've put a little bit of bronzer on and done some eyeliner, finished my eyebrows with this amazing brow styler from Benefit. I absolutely love it because it's got the powder that you can use, and it makes your eyes look a bit fuller. It makes your eyebrows look a bit fuller. So I'm a fan of Benefit, I really am. That's really good for eyebrows, and the eyebrows obviously shape the eyes where you're going to be putting the lashes. So let's go for it. So we've got the glue. This glue does dry up quite quickly, so let me just put another dab on because I put a dab on at the beginning. You need like maybe that much will be enough, and let's do it. It has got a bit of a whiffy smell, but I just take off any one just like this. It's got clusters, can you see them? And then I just do a little dot, a little tiny dot like that. And then I've anywhere on my eyes, so I'll place. And I don't really start anywhere, but see how I place it? Actually on the inside, behind my own eyelashes. Not in front of my own eyelashes, behind my own eyelashes. So I'm not even really touching my eyelashes. Say these are your eyelashes, these are your own eyelashes. And you get in a false seam. Pull it off. You get the glue, and then you put it just there, like there. So it's inside. Not everyone tries to put it here, but you put it here. So let me show you. So there. Right, I'm going to go fast now just so you can see the speed. Obviously, I've been doing this for 10 years and I've got better at it. I find it works better if I don't put makeup on my eyes. So I would do it. Don't put any foundation on your eyes. Just leave your eyes bare because the foundation and the glue tend to, I don't know, they kind of like rub and they get a little bit loose. So I try not to do any makeup on my eyes. I actually don't put any on. So if you're, maybe put eyeshadow on after, or make sure the eyeshadow doesn't get anywhere near your own lashes. Don't put any oil on your eyelashes. Try and leave them very dry and natural. And you could put shorter ones on the inside and then medium ones on the middle, and then you could get really long ones for the end if you wanted to have a fan. But I feel like this works perfectly because these are clusters. And how many would we say are in each one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I'd say there's about 32 little lashes. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. No, about maybe 24 little lashes in here. What I like about this is that when you pull them out of the container, they don't flare and go over it. I've bought some before. I'll tell you where from. Boots. And they're very expensive. Allure or something. And when I pull them out, you literally pull them out and then all the lashes, all the little single lashes come out too. And that's annoying because you have to throw some of those away. Where these, they're all tightly glued into each other. So and I love the fact that I can do my own, which means if I lose one, I just go upstairs and put one on. If I take them off, I don't have to worry about them falling off. If I go swimming, not that I'm going to go swimming because we're locked in, but if I go, you know, if I want to rub my face, because I feel particularly itchy that day because of hay fever, I can rub them off and start again, knowing I don't need to rely on anybody to do my eyelashes, because I do them myself. And you're going to be able to do them yourself too. Now, obviously, I've been doing it for a while, so I've got a knack to it. But if you just take your time, I think you could do them, if you're a newbie, in about 20 minutes. And it depends how full you want it. So you see there, that's not bad. But I could say, right, because I'm doing this video, normally I wouldn't spend as much effort putting all of them in, unless I was going to a wedding or somewhere. But let's do them. I'm going to put the whole row in, maybe 2. Right, so there we go. So if you look for the gaps, and you literally just pop them in. That one's coming down a bit, I think. Can you see that? And then if they come down a bit too much, you can just squeeze them. Let's do some more. 2 little clusters left. So now I'm looking for the gaps. Where are the gaps? Where are the gaps? Okay. See as well, I've still got plenty of glue left. And on one line you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18, 19 on a row. So I've got 19, can you see? So do you prefer it like this or like this? I know which one I prefer. This one. Right, let's do it. Now let's time me on this one. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Also, the glue does dry quite quickly, so you might have to just use a bit. That's why it's best not to put too much down, because you might have to add a bit because that gets a bit dry. I'll show you what it looks like when it dries, because I've put the sample here earlier to show you. So this is the original glue, which I put on. Look, that's completely dry. Can you see that? It's like proper, like, if you get it on your hand, all you do is rub it like that and it comes up. It just pops on nicely. It doesn't sting, it just feels like a little bit cold, but not like painful cold, like ice, just a little bit. like cold water. Nearly done. See, I could basically go all day, but I think eventually it can look a little bit too much. But there we go. Lockdown lash look, ladies and gentlemen. And here you have it, your lockdown lash look. They are flirty and fabulous.